Hello everyone, today on the table it's a Makita drywall screw gun. It's a DFR550 and I have purchased it as a faulty, and yep, I put the battery in and I don't know what is bad with this one because I have tried to put the bit here to screw the screw and it works. So it works when I press the AC. So I will open it to check how it looks from the inside, and I don't know, we will check, maybe I will find something wrong with it. Okay, let's check it. We can see that the brushes is almost new here. Okay, of course we have the dust here. It's working with the drywall. Okay, let's just open it. Forgot one screw. Okay, let's check the gears. You can see the blue grease here. It's not a Makita grease, so this one was definitely repaired in some time of the tool life. But I can see that the gears looks good. Okay, it's really strange that this one was named for the spares and repairs. We have the bearing here, we have the mechanism for the drilling the screws, and yep. So honestly, don't have what to do with this one because it's good. So it's a bargain, I think, and it's a really good purchase. I paid 50 US plus postage, 15, sorry, US, so it's a cheap drywall gun. Okay, I will put some grease here and close it. I'm using the yellow Makita grease. It's a bigger can of it. Just greasing the gears a little bit. Okay, have some dust here. Okay. cleaned it a little bit, and now we can turn it on. Okay, I can test it like that, and the reverse is working. So yeah, I believe it's a working unit. That's a good for me, and for you, just a good example. You can get the tools cheap, as they are still not working, and sometimes they just work. For now, just thank you for watching, and bye.